Having trouble with your ASUS monitor settings? This video covers the main solutions: OSD reset, firmware updates, and profile saving. These methods fix unresponsive menus, calibration problems, or lost settings, especially common on ASUS gaming monitors. The on-screen display, or OSD, is the menu system you access using the physical buttons on your ASUS monitor. This menu allows you to adjust essential settings like brightness, contrast, and refresh rate directly on the monitor. To perform a reset, which restores default settings and clears any corrupted data, access the OSD menu and locate the reset option. Navigate using the monitor buttons, select the reset, and confirm your choice. The front panel typically has buttons or a joystick to control the OSD, as shown here. And this illustrates a typical OSD settings screen with various options. Understanding the OSD is essential because it helps resolve hardware-related issues that software can't fix. To perform an OSD reset on your ASUS monitor, use the physical buttons. First, locate the menu button on your monitor. Press and hold the menu button for 10 seconds. This initiates a factory reset of the monitor's settings. After 10 seconds, the reset completes, restoring all settings to factory defaults and resolving many common issues. Firmware is the monitor's embedded software that controls its core functions. Firmware updates are crucial for several reasons. They fix bugs and improve overall stability. Updates add new features, such as VESA Display HDR600 support for better color accuracy. They also improve compatibility with modern GPUs, ensuring smooth performance. Regular firmware updates ensure your monitor delivers optimal performance and the latest capabilities. First, visit the ASUS website and download the latest firmware for your specific monitor model. Use their model checker tool to ensure you get the correct file for your serial number. Use the ASUS Firmware Update Tool version 2.1.5, released in November 2025. This tool includes checksum verification to prevent corrupted updates and supports over 50 monitor models. Connect your monitor to your computer using an HDMI cable, then use the firmware tool to put the monitor into update mode. This establishes the connection needed for the firmware flash. Connect your monitor to an uninterruptible power supply, or UPS, before starting the update. This protects against power interruptions that could damage the monitor during the firmware flashing process. Once the update begins, avoid turning off the monitor, disconnecting power, or interrupting the process in any way. Incomplete firmware flashes can render the monitor unusable and may require professional repair. Monitor profiles store your custom settings, including color calibration, brightness, contrast, and other display preferences. These profiles allow you to quickly switch between different setups for gaming, work, or media viewing. It's important to save these profiles because they can be lost due to power outages, operating system changes, or unexpected hardware problems. ASUS provides the Display Widget software to help you back up and restore your settings. The ASUS Display Widget software, version 3.0, released in October 2025, allows you to manage and save your monitor profiles. In the interface, you can select different visual modes and adjust settings like brightness and contrast. To save your profiles, use the export feature to create JSON backup files. This ensures you can restore your settings if anything goes wrong. Most ASUS monitors support up to 5 profile slots for different configurations. By regularly backing up your profiles, you protect your custom display settings from being lost and avoid the time-consuming process of recalibrating your monitor. When troubleshooting ASUS monitor settings, begin with software fixes, like updating your graphics drivers. This ensures compatibility and can resolve many common issues. Next, use ASUS's model checker tool to verify firmware and driver compatibility with your specific monitor model. According to ASUS's 2025 data, 65% of monitor issues are firmware-related, and 80% are resolved through updates. Looking ahead, ASUS monitors will feature AI-powered diagnostics built into future firmware updates. These monitors will automatically self-diagnose issues and provide suggested fixes through app notifications, eliminating the need for manual troubleshooting. Additionally, cloud syncing of monitor profiles across multiple devices is expected, allowing seamless maintenance and settings transfer. This will make monitor maintenance significantly easier, with proactive and automated solutions reducing user effort.